How to create a duplicate document on Word. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the steps in order to do so. So first of all, open up your document in which you would like to create up a duplicate document. For example, I have opened this document right here. So all you gotta do is once you open it up, at the top you should be finding a file option. Just go ahead and click on it. And after you click on it, look for this option, this one right here, save as. And you just need to go ahead and create up another file in another place or in other, for example, if you're a desktop, just go ahead and save it as a new file on any of your folders on your desktop, and it will be saved as a document, like a duplicate document. So just go ahead and do that. You may save it on your PC if available, or you may even browse of your location like this, and just go ahead and select up wherever you want, and you need to save your file in .docx form and click on save. And once that is done, it will start processing, and it will basically process and save your document as a duplicate file on your PC desktop. So that is it. You may follow up the same process. You may just click on the save changes with a different name and click on OK, and that is it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this process in order to save. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.